Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay to pay in store using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone has Apple Pay set up. Open the wallet app to check, add a credit or debit card if you haven't already by tapping plus and following the instruction. When you are at the store and ready to pay, look for the contactless payment symbol or Apple Pay logo at the checkout. To pay with Face ID, double click the side button. Look at your phone to authenticate with Face ID. To pay with Touch ID, rest your finger on the home button. Hold the top of your phone near the payment terminal until you see done and a check mark on the screen. Your payment is complete. No need to hand over cash or card. You can also check your recent transaction in the wallet app to confirm your payment, and that's it. That's how you use Apple Pay on your phone to pay in store. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.